I'm going to marinate some chicken. So what I'm gonna start with is this dipping sauce, ginger and scallions, and I'm gonna kind of thread it through everything. I'm gonna use the sauce as a dipping sauce for the chicken, and I'm also gonna use it as a marinade, but I'm gonna pump up the flavor a little bit more in the marinade. So we've got all of these scallions. So we're gonna grate some ginger. This is the easiest way, is you just grate right over. We're gonna use this again, so I'm gonna put it to the side. Grab myself a garlic clove, get the garlic in there. Okay, so now we have our garlic in there. Ooh, so we'll get a 1/4 cup of veggie oil, and then some rice vinegar, a couple tablespoons. Rice vinegar is really lovely. It's kind of mellow, but yet it's got enough tartness in it. 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. That's gonna be your saltiness right there from the soy sauce. Let's give that a quick mix. Now I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken with a couple tablespoons of the dipping sauce that we already made. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the back counter. So this is the beginning of the chicken marinade, but I wanna add some heat to it. So we're gonna get some sambal olek in there, which is an Indonesian chili paste. So just a teaspoon. If you don't have sambal olek, you can use sriracha, which is a little bit on the sweeter side. Rice vinegar, 1, 2. Some soy sauce. Veggie oil. Give that a quick stir. And let's go get our chicken. Love chicken thighs. They've got so much flavor. They're very forgiving. So what we'll do is we'll let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. And then once it goes on the grill, we'll just sprinkle some salt and pepper on there. Now I can get started on that chicken. Now I wanna take the chicken thighs out of the marinade, just get it on some paper towels. I'm gonna turn our little grill pan on, give it some salt and pepper. So we're just gonna do this one side, and then we're gonna put the seasoned side down and then season the other side while they're cooking on the grill pan. All right, let's get some salt and pepper on these guys. So these guys will grill for about 7 to 10 minutes on each side. Let's give the chicken a little look-see. Yes, beautiful. So let these guys cook about 7 to 10 minutes. Chicken is ready to come off. So I'm gonna take our little sauce all over. Remember, we marinated the chicken and all the same ingredients that are in the scallion-ginger sauce, but we added some sambal olek. That looks amazing. You're gonna come to me, and we're gonna have a little bite. We just cleaned out my refrigerator and made an amazing meal.